Right. Okay. And you are preparing May 21 exam group 1, right? Okay. You have taken all classes in group 1? You have done it your coaching, right? Okay, okay, right. And what is your weak subject in group 1? Taxation. And what is your strong subject in group 1? So is it your first time in the May 21? Okay, and you have okay, okay, yeah. And you have not cleared your exam. Okay, okay. So you okay. Tell me your history of your preparation. matlab, how to prepare your exam May 91 and you have not cleared your exam. Okay. So why you are not preparing both groups in May 21? If you are not clear your exam in Jan 21 in group 1. Okay, family press. Acha, family. Okay, okay, I understand. Hmm. Okay, so you say that your tax is very poor, right? You are very weak in tax. Okay, so I will suggest you in YouTube. Okay, okay, I will suggest you that in YouTube, I say YouTube channel in YouTube, you have see that in costing lecture and taxation lecture are free of cost. You just watch and practice first you clear your concept from the YouTube lectures, then you have practiced all ICI study material question in taxation and costing. Then after you solve all RTB questions and past year questions and revise your tax at least 4 to 5 times and costing in group 1 account and group 1 accounts is very scoring. So if you are not clearing or not exemption in cost accounts paper, so first thing remember that you have you have at least strong your accounts subject. That means you have cleared all subjects, all group 1 subject, other subjects. If you are not well good marks good scoring marks in cost or taxation, right? Okay, first thing I will suggest you that practice all ICI study material question and latest RTP MTP question and ICI given last month MCU booklet. You have solved this and I am accepting that all MCQ comes from this booklet series. So ICI ने दी थी मतलब ICI given booklet series. You have compulsory solve this. Okay. 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 So I will. Okay. Now I have. I think Suraj Agarwal sir book is very good for if you are preparing self study. If you already taken classes any teacher, so you have solved MK Gupta sir book. Okay, and yeah, right, right, right. And after 1 month, I think ISAB also launched free classes on taxation and costing live lecture. After I think start classes from March, yeah, mid March, live lecture. You just watch them and clear your all concept. Okay, okay. I will suggest you कि next 12 to 15 days you clear your all taxation concept through ICI YouTube lecture with amendment. Don't worry, they are not of so much amendment. If you are preparing November 20 lectures, any teachers, you just watch anytime, any amendment lecture. I think in one day you complete your all amendment in May 21 regarding. Okay, I will send you. I will send you taxation and costing free classes in English. You just watch them, clear your concept, and practice so much questions. If you are weak in cost and tax, I think I think you have seen that in taxation paper and cost paper is very lengthy and very tricky questions. If you attend your Jan 21 exams, so I will suggest you that first, clear your all concept. Make your own handwritten notes, which will help you in one day revision before your examination. Okay, and solve all ICS supplemental question and Suraj Agarwal sir book or MK Gupta sir book, which are you comfortable. Okay, okay, ठीक है. Notebook. Have you a notebook right now? Okay. Write down your customized plan. Uh, Write down. I will tell you. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Today is 13 Feb. So you prepare 14 Feb to 28 Feb only taxation. Okay. 28 Feb. Feb. Watch lectures and complete your first GST. First GST, then income tax. Okay. Okay, GST. If you are preparing good marks, if you want good marks in taxes, so first clear your all concept GST. Reason that GST is very easy as compared to income tax law. Okay, watch lectures, complete your concept, make your own handwritten notes, and solve all ICI certificate questions. Then after solve Suraj Agarwal sir book or MK Gupta sir book. Okay. Okay. Then after 1st March to 15 March, 1st to 15th, complete your income tax law. So watch ICI YouTube lectures and make your own handwritten notes, solve ICI supplementary question. Then after MK Gupta sir yeah, or Suraj Agarwal sir. Okay. If you have any problem in concept relating GST and tax, you just message me. Okay, on Telegram. Okay. Then after 15 March or 16 March to 31st March, you preparing course examination, right? Watch lectures, make on internet notes, and so at least ICI certificate in this 14 to 15 days. Okay. So this is a plan for March month. Okay. Okay. And then months April come. If your result is negative, yeah, or you have not scored any subject exemption, okay, then you have revised your tax cost at least 2 hours to 2 3 hours on daily basis from the first April. Okay. Okay. In law I will suggest you first you complete your other law. You have seen that other law is very easy and very scoring as compared to company law. Okay. If your result is negative, then preparing law first, then accounts. In law, you prepare other law first, then company law. Okay. Okay. In company law, you first revise chapter number 8, chapter number 7. So you have write down how to revise company law. Okay. First, you revise chapter number 8 dividend in company law. Huh? And dividend. Chapter number 9, accounts of company. Chapter number 5, deposit. 8 is dividend. 9 is accounts of company. Hmm. And chapter number 6. Then after 9 के बाद 6 charge. 896. Then after chapter number 5, deposit. Uh, then after chapter number 7, meeting. Then chapter number 10, auditors. Then types of company questions. And then after types of company, which are mentioned in just little bit in chapter 1 and chapter 2. So you have revised types of company. Then after chapter number 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. But in law, first revise other law in any sequence. Then after revise your company law as per my sequence. Okay. Okay. If your result negative, then you have to revise law. अभी से मत कर लेना, अभी से रिवाइज कर ले, मत बैठ जाना. If preparing first cost and tax, when a result is come, I think mid of March or end of March. If you are negative result, then you have revise law and accounts. Okay. Right now you have just focus on tax and cost and revise 2 to 3 times at least before ending of March. Okay. Okay. In accounts, you just write down how to revise accounts. Okay. First, you revise accounting standards. A reason that in accounts paper, accounting standard comes 30 marks. Accounting standards and theoretical framework chapter number 3 in accounts. If you have seen that Jan 21 exam or nominated exam, 30 marks comes from accounting standards and theoretical framework. If your negative result, if your result is negative, so in one day you have revised all accounting standard and theoretical framework. Okay. Then after you have revised chapter number 4 and 5 in one day. If you have 4 and 5 and 6 in one day, in okay. Then after chapter number 7, 8, 9, 10 in one day. Oh yes. Then after chapter number 11, 12, then 13 and 14. And then 13 and 14. Matlab, if your result is negative, then you have within 5 to 6 days, you have revised all account syllabus within 5 to 6 days. And remember one thing, in accounts paper, solve all ICI study material and not solve other things, right? Like RTP, MTP, just you solve ICI study material. Then after you have time to solve ICI old practice manual in accounts paper. Don't solve your teacher notes or RTP, MTP. You have seen that all questions come from ICI study material, not RTP. RTP से आया था मतलब means comes question RTP, but this RTP question frame according to ICI study material. Okay, so if your result come negative, just within 5 days in April you revise your accounts within 5 days and solve only ICI study material question and focus just revise your accounts syllabus 3 times. Okay. This is your plan for March and April. If you a negative result, then you call me again. I will give you plan for April month after your result. This is plan for March end. Okay. In just March month and Feb month, just focus your cost and tax and revise again to again. And you are saying that you have मतलब तुमने ये कहा कि you are scoring good marks in accounts and law, you're expected. But if you are not giving, if you are not come, then you have revised accounts and law in April month. Right now, you have just focused accounts, sorry, cost account and taxation. I will give you all free lectures on ICI YouTube, and I will also give you taxation book and cost book. ICI Middle, you solve this. After this, you solve some extra question from other teachers' books. This is plan May 21. ICI have uploaded May 21 certificate in their website. Okay, this is the plan for March, and just focus and revise cost and tax. If you're any problem cost and tax, you just message me on ICI is very compulsory for any group 1 subject. If you have giving Jan 25 exam, just see that there are lot of question comes from directly from ICI certificate, either in tax, cost, law, accounts, anything. Now you just solve firstly ICI certificate, then you have solved Suraj sir or MK Gupta sir, whichever you are comfortable. In cost, tax, law, and accounts. Okay, you just seen that Jan 21 exam in costing paper. There are 4 to 5 questions directly come from ICI certificate. Okay. Amendments is just one day you have complete your all amendment in tax, TT or GST. In law, just 2 or 3 amendments comes. Or in tax, 10 to 12 amendments. But that means you have completed your all amendments in just one day. No, you just watch any teacher amendment lecture when any teacher upload amendment lecture in English. Okay, just watch. I think you complete your amendments 4 to 5 hours. Only 4 to 5 you have completed all amendment lectures. And law, just 1 hour you complete your all amendment lectures. Now, right now, you just focus tax and cost. Yeah, anytime you can message me, either in personal or in group. And this is planned for just for your March end. If your result is negative, then you message again me. I will make your plan at free of cost. Okay, and just remember one thing: you have just hard work for 10 to 12 hours on daily basis. If you're planning and you're targeting clearing your group 1 in May 21. Okay, anything or any doubt? Okay, any doubt, you just message me in Telegram anytime. Okay, right now from today onwards, you just focus and targeting 10 to 12 hours sitting and preparing your tax and cost exam, and make your own handwritten notes. It is very compulsory for your exam revisions. Okay, so 10 to 12 10 to 12 hours you have studied on daily basis. Okay, any doubt, you just message me on Telegram or my Telegram group. I just said first you complete ICI study material and your concept. Then after you solve any author book, first you solve ICI, first you cover your all concept, then after ICI study material, then after any teacher or any coaching material. I will show that there are a lot of questions directly comes from ICSE material. If you are not solving ICSE material, then you have problem in your examination day. First, you solve ICSE material. If any question you have doubt, you just message me. I will explain you in very well manner. No, there is no amendment cost in and accounts. There are only amendments in tax and law amendment. In law, I think two or three amendments for May 21, and tax in 4 to 5 hours you complete your amendment lectures, either DT or GST. Okay, right now, I think no one teacher uploaded amendment lectures in English. I think no one teacher uploaded right now amendment lectures right now. So you have just wait for English amendment lectures. Okay, any doubt? Okay. This is a plan for your March month and Feb month. From from today onwards, you're just targeting and focus your 10 to 12 hours study time. Don't waste any time your study time. Otherwise, you have not cleared your May 21 exam also. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.